Going for another joyride. Another joyride in the rain. First time driving in the rain. Well, it just rained. It just rained earlier. Holy f***, bro. Holy f***, bro. I almost wrecked my bike. Stupid dogs, man. Stupid dogs, bro. Oh my god. Stupid dogs, man. I didn't panic though. I did not panic. Man, that was crazy, dude. Passing those dogs. I swore that dog was gonna come out on me. But I didn't panic. I did not hit the front brake, or I would've tore up my bike. I would've crashed. I barely tapped my rear brake and I slid, and it just rained, man. Oh my god. I'm so blessed. All the practicing and training and the drills that I did at the safety course saved my bike. That literally saved my bike, man. It just rained. The road is so slippery. Oh my gosh. And plus I need new tires. I just bought this bike used, and it's time for new tires, because that's how I bought it. But wow, that was crazy. Crazy. I'm not going that way anymore. Nope. That's like the 5th time those dogs tried to come out at me. There's like 4 of them. Crazy. Okay, new subject. It sure does feel cooler though in Texas after that hurricane. You know what? I'm gonna like go on the back roads, forget all this traffic after that scare. After that scare, man. And keep in mind, I am a new bike rider, man. I am new to the street. This is like just my first week. So I think I'm doing pretty dang good, if I must say myself. We're going to the back roads, YouTube. We are going to the back roads, guys. Forget all this stuff. And it's raining, man. Sometimes on slow turns, I want to put my foot down, like, because I'm used to riding a dirt bike, and that's what we do on dirt bikes. Wow. Oh, it smells like dead fish. It smells like dead fish, bro. Not a good smell. Of course my dog would like it. My dog would run towards that smell. Nasty. Nasty. Alright, I'm turning back on my music, guys. It feels so cool, man. It's like 85 degrees. Of course, the Texans, it's freaking wonderful weather. But yeah, I'm gonna jam on this back road. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
Got some gas. Premium only.
Chaquera. I don't think I said that right. I literally don't know any Spanish. So yeah. How you doing? I'm doing well, thanks for asking, car. Bro, those kids were going crazy, man. Those kids were like, oh! Bro, that's awesome. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome, bro. You know, I had to wave at him and give him a little rev. I thought that was a cop. No worries, though. I am perfectly legal. Perfectly legal. That's a cop, though. That's the end of this video, my dudes. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for the likes, the subs, the comments. I respond to every comment, so let me know what you think about this vlog series on my bike. I appreciate y'all. Once again, stay safe and peace.